Let's go.
Welcome to DEI Power Solutions, where precision meets power. Get ready to get a first-hand look at the incredible engineering process that helps keep data centers, hospitals, commercial buildings, and crypto mining plants running. When it comes to UL 891 low-voltage switchboards, DEI has established itself as a trusted go-to manufacturer, engineering panels from 600 amps to 4,000 amps.
I am here now with Pierre Davis, who is DEI Power Solutions production engineer. What part of the fabrication process is happening here now?
This is the beginning stages. This is where all the metal gets laser cut to precision. This is a fiber laser. We're using liquid nitrogen to make all the cuts, to make sure that every cut is nice and clean. Well, if you can see right here, this came off the laser machine. No grinding, no cleaning, just straight off the laser, and it's ready to powder coat. You could touch this, it's all clean, it's ready to go. We use liquid nitrogen, and liquid nitrogen helps every cut come down to the T in precision. If we try to cut that with a punching machine, we'll be here for days. But being with the laser, you can see how fast this machine is working. That helps us cut down the lead time.
You mentioned precision earlier. Can you tell me a little bit about what's going on back here?
Absolutely. Right here, we got the gentleman forming and bending all the metal. These machines that are back here, these press brakes, we only use top quality press brakes. Precision is a very big key in this industry. You know, when we're doing watertight and NEMA 12 and NEMA 3R, this is where it comes into play.
So what kind of certifications does DEI have?
UL 891 and UL 67.
What's that?
UL 891 is a dead front switchboard, which that covers all your switchgear, and UL 67 is for panel boards.
So what exactly do we have happening here?
Well, we're duplicating rain. That's per UL 891, they require us to use a testing apparatus. We will let that rain test go for 60 minutes per side.
So what exactly are you looking for in the test?
We're looking to make sure that there's no water touching any live parts. So after the 60 minutes per side, we'll go in, our inspectors will go in, check it, and make sure no water is on any live parts.
So we've gone through all the external parts of the panel. Now let's discuss the components.
Absolutely. We're a Siemens OEM, so we get all our components from Siemens. This is a 3VA 1600 amp. This is their newest model that they have out right now. And Siemens is one of the top breaker supplier in the United States. They have the strongest warranties, they have the best lead time, and I just love their product.
So when it comes to the components, what is customer service like?
We'll give you a 1-year warranty on all parts, and we offer 24/7 support. So if there's a technical issue or any problem like that, we'll take care of it right away.
So in the unlikely event that a customer has an issue, what does DEI do?
Well, number one, we'll try to see if it's a technical problem, and if it's not a technical problem, there'll be a new breaker on a plane on the next flight out.
So it looks like we're here at the final stages. Why don't you walk us through what's happening?
They're doing a contact resistance test. That's one of the tests that we do prior to any panel that leaves our facility. It goes through an intensive quality check. We want to make sure the customer is getting exactly what he needs and everything is testing out the way it needs to. Every circuit breaker is tested, ground bond is tested, high pod. We also do all type of ground fault testing prior to the breaker leaving our facility. There's an intensive 2 or 3 days that we need for this quality check.
Great. So I'm ready to buy a panel. What do you need from me?
All we need is your single line diagram, and we'll have our head engineers put a package together for you. Something that's easy to provide to your utility company, and we guarantee approval with over 30,000 utility companies.
I love that. But where does it all ship from?
Right here in Ontario, California. We're designed, built, and manufactured here in the USA. We're proud to be, we're proud to be here in America building switchgear. Some of our competitors are building stuff overseas. That's where the lead times come from. So that's why we're building everything here right home in the United States. We have a new facility, second location in Moreno Valley. It's over 40,000 square feet. A lot of the design and fabrication and assembly will be done there.
Great. Now, for more information, go to DEIPowerSolutions.com.